Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Ram 1500 Bighorn Crew Cab in bright white. With black headlamp bezels, LED fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, Ram box cargo management system, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 43,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, remote start system, second row in-floor storage bins, 5.7-liter V8 Hemi engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6195.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.